This video is about solving for indicated variables. Let's look at 38. T equals t sub 0 plus d sub 0 times e to the negative kth power. We're looking for k. First of all, you need to decide what kind of equation it is. K is the variable, therefore this is an exponential equation. First step, you need to isolate the exponential form on one side. Therefore, we minus the t sub 0 both sides. We got t minus t sub 0 equals d sub 0 times e to the negative kth power. Then we divide by d sub 0 both sides because we need to isolate this exponential form. You will get t minus t0 over d0. Then this time we do the natural log both sides. We got negative kt equals natural log of t minus t0 over d0. Since I'm looking for k, therefore we divide by negative t both sides. We got k equals negative 1 over t times natural log of t minus t0 over d sub 0. This will be the final answer. But if you want to keep moving, and for this negative sign, I want to change it as exponents. You will get the 1 over t natural log of t minus t sub 0 over d sub 0, then it's negative first power. We can organize that equals 1 over t times natural log of d sub 0 over t minus t sub 0. Or if you want to make 1 over t as exponents, you will get the t equals natural log t root of d0 over t minus t sub 0. Either one will be okay. Let's go to 39. We're looking for this d. So we got the y equals a over 1 plus b times e to the negative x minus c over this power. First of all, we do cross multiply, get the y plus by times e to the negative x minus c over this power equals a. This will be the exponential equation. Therefore, isolate this exponential form on one side. We need to minus y both sides. So we got the by times e to the negative x minus c over this power equals a minus y. Then we divide by by both sides. You will get e to the negative x minus c over this power equals a minus y over by. Then we do natural log both sides. you will get negative x minus c over d equals natural log of a minus y over by. Then we do cross multiply. We solve for d, therefore d equals natural log a minus y over by. That negative x minus c. This will be the final answer. If you don't want negative sign in this equation, we know negative log base a of b equals log base a of 1 over b. So that you can change this into x minus c natural log of by over a minus y. Now let's go to 40. Now let's go to 40. We look for x for this formula. First of all, we know this is an exponential equation. We need to isolate this exponential form on one side. Therefore, we divided by a both sides. We got y over a equals e to the negative x minus b squared over c. Then we got to do natural log both sides. So we got negative x minus b squared over c equals natural log of y over a. Then we know this is a power pattern. We need to isolate this x minus b squared. Therefore, we multiply by c, then negative c, so that we got x minus b squared equals negative c times natural log of y over a. As we know, negative natural log of y over a equals natural log of a over y. So we got x minus b squared. This side equals c times natural log of a over y. Then we do square root of both sides. Don't forget plus or minus. So we get the x minus b equals plus or minus square root c times natural log of a over y. Then we add b both sides. We got the x equals b plus or minus square root c times natural log of a over y. Now let's go to 41. We're looking for x. This is a logarithm equation. So we need to isolate this log form on one side. We minus k both sides. That's the first step. A times log base b of x minus h. Then we need to divide it by a both sides. So we get log base b of x minus h equals y minus k over a. Then we need to change this log form into exponential form. You will get the b to this power equals x minus h. So we write down x minus h equals b to the y minus k over 8th power. Then you need to add h both sides, x equals b to the y minus k over 8th power plus h. That's it.